Hello my friends, welcome. We have now finalized the first phase of the renovation of this table with a varnish, 3 layers on the top, 2 layers on the feet. And now for protecting the table even more, we will proceed with vitrification. Let's go! So I've already shown you vitrification in the vitrification of the workbench. So here I will make it shorter. The difference here is that I will use a manual paper for the sanding in between the layers. Super old vitrification, still working perfectly well. So it has to be super clean, otherwise the dust which is now on the table will stay forever. So we are using a new spalter. Let's go. So as I told you, always in both directions. Here it's less visible because it's mixed up. And here I'm putting generously a good quantity. So a very important thing when you are putting different paintings one on the other is that you have to make sure that it's the same base. So meaning if it's washable or dilutable either with water or with a white spirit. So here it's both with water, the varnish was with water and the vitrification is with water as well. Okay, first layer done. So we are reserving our spalter for tomorrow. This here, by the way, is one of these plastic things which are in home deliveries. So now we are reaching the second layer of vitrification, and for this we'll be using a manual sanding paper. Here a 240. This was really a good occasion for you to see the disastrous consequences of this tape removing the varnish. Honestly, my perseverance has some limits, and also I need to use this table very soon for having very nice dinners on it. So let's go for this last round and then it's finished.